Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Arquen, myself Arnab Kundu. Today I will discuss on Pandas, which is a library module of Python programming language. So I will discuss elaborately what is Pandas. So go to the computer screen. Today I will discuss the topic Introduction to Pandas in Python language. Okay. So at first we should know what is Pandas. Pandas is an open source library that is made mainly for working with relational or labeled data both easily and intuitively. Okay, it provides various data structures and operations for manipulating numerical data and time series, right? This library is built on the top of the NumPy library, right? Pandas is fast and it has high performance and productivity for users. Okay. After the Pandas has been installed into the system, we need to import the library. This module is generally imported as like import Pandas as PD. Okay. Here PD is referred to as an alias to the Pandas. Okay. However, it is not necessary to import the library using alias. Okay. It just helps in writing less amount of code every time a method or property is called. Right. Now we talk about the history about Pandas. Pandas stands for Python Data Analysis Library. Okay, Pandas was initially developed by Wes McKinney in 2008 while he was working at AQR Capital Management. Okay, he convinced the AQR to allow him to open source the Pandas. Another AQR employee, Chang Si, joined as the second major contributor to the library in 2012. Over the time, many versions of Pandas have been released. The latest version of the Pandas is 1.2.4, released on 12th April 2021. Okay, Pandas module is written in Python, Python and C language. Okay, and this is the image is provided here. It is the image for who is McKinney. Okay. Now I talk about the advantages of Pandas module. At first, it is fast and efficient for manipulating and analyzing data. Data from different file objects can be loaded. Easy handling of missing data represented as none means not a number in floating point as well as non-floating point data, right? Size mutability. Columns can be inserted and deleted from the data frame and higher dimensional objects, right? Dataset merging and joining, flexible reshaping and pivoting of data sets, right? Provides time series functionality, powerful group by functionality for performing split, apply, combine operations on data sets. Okay. Pandas generally provide two data structure for manipulating data, and there one is your series and another is your data frame, right? So at first I discuss the Pandas series. Pandas series is a one-dimensional labeled array capable of holding data of any type like integer, string, float, Python objects, etc. The axis labels are collectively called index. Pandas series is nothing but a column in an Excel sheet. Labels need not be unique but must be a hashable type, right? The object supports both integer and label based indexing and provides a host of methods for performing operations involving the index. Okay. Now we talk about Pandas data frame. Pandas data frame is two-dimensional size mutable, potentially heterogeneous tabular data structure with labeled accesses like rows and columns. Okay, a data frame is a two-dimensional data structure, that is, data is aligned in a tabular fashion in rows and columns. Pandas data frame consists of three principal components: the data, rows and columns. Okay, so I will provide some examples of Pandas series and Pandas data frame, right? Now, at first, I provide the examples of Pandas series. Okay. In the real world, a Pandas series will be created by loading the data sets from existing storage. Okay. Storage can be SQL database, CSV file, and Excel file also. Okay. Pandas series can be created from the lists, dictionary, and from a scalar value, etc. Okay. So, go for an example. Suppose at first we write import pandas as pd, okay, and then again write import numpy as ny, okay. Means here we pandas and numpy, these are two module, we just import here, okay, and then just write acr equal and just write pd dot series, just send a bracket open bracket close and then write d type equal object, okay, and after what we just print here acr, okay. Now again we write data equal and just write ny dot and just write array and we send some argument here and within bracket we are just sent suppose a and then suppose we write write r, then suppose write c, then suppose write o, then suppose write again a, and then at last we write small n, okay, and close it, okay. And after what we just write acr equal and just write pd dot series and send data as its argument, okay, and after we just print acr, okay. Now what happened if we execute this Python code? So what happened, this print just printing series and just what type of series it is just provided, and when we print again acr, so it's just print in series wise. So 0 position is a, next 1 position is r, 2 position is c, 3 position is o, 4 position is a, and 5 position is n. So in that way Python series will work, okay. Now I provide the examples of data frame in Pandas. Okay. In the real world, a Pandas data frame will be created by loading the data sets from existing storage. Okay. Storage can be a SQL database, CSV file, and Excel file. Pandas data frame can be created from the lists, dictionary, and from a list of dictionary, etc. Okay. So go for an example. Again, we write import pandas as pd, okay. Now suppose we write here df equal and just write pd dot data frame, okay. Here d and f both are capital, okay, should remember, and after suppose write print df, okay. Now after that we are just write here lst equal and then within bracket we are just write some string, suppose write technical, okay. After again we write rcon, okay. Again within single quote suppose we write Arnab, okay, and after suppose we write within single quote YouTube. Simple, this strings is there, okay, and here we provide the technical T just as capital, okay, and after that what we just write here df equal and just write pd dot data frame, should d and f should be capital, and send lst, okay, and what happened after that we just print df. Now if we execute this Python code again, so what happened, just see what it's given, empty data frame because there is nothing is provided. Now what happened, we are just provide the list and it's just provide in a tabular manner. 0 position is technical, this is your column and this is your row format. So data frame just provide in form of table, right? Now I talk about why pandas is used for data science. Pandas is generally used for data science. Pandas is used in conjunction with other libraries that are used for data science. It is built on the top of the NumPy library, which means that a lot of structures of NumPy are used or replicated in Pandas, right? The data produced by Pandas is often used as input for plotting functions of matplotlib, statistically analysis in SciPy, machine learning algorithm in scikit-learn. Okay, Pandas program can be run from any text editor, but it is recommended to use Jupyter Notebook for this, as Jupyter given the ability to execute code in a particular cell rather than executing the entire file. Okay, Jupyter also provides an easy way to visualize Pandas data frame and plots, right? Now we talk about how Pandas works. Pandas is built on top of NumPy and matplotlib. So Pandas can efficiently work with large n-dimensional arrays, means NumPy, take slices and transpose those into different shapes. Okay, draw charts through matplotlib. Okay, should remember NumPy is the workhouse for most Python machine learning software development kits, means SDKs. Okay, since Pandas extends NumPy, it also supports machine learning operation. Okay, I hope that you have understood today's topic. For more videos, keep watching my channel Technical Arquin. Thank you and bye bye.